Okay, so you mentioned ChatGPT, and I'm sure there's a whole host of things we can talk about. But firstly and foremost, how is ChatGPT not undergoing some type of grounding process? And the reason why I say that is because it does deceive you a little bit. It does say, I understand what you're saying, or I understand the question, or I don't understand the question, but it doesn't
Yeah, it does. But
understand.
if you yeah, but if you probe it on understand, it comes back because it's been trained to do it. I don't understand anything because I'm not grounded and I've not been out in the world. That's not because GPT thinks anything. It's because
Mm-hmm.
the way it's been shaped to respond to that kind of question is to say that kind of stuff. So go back to your GPT and probe him a little bit. He'll tell if you say to him, "Do you understand? What do you mean by understanding? Do you understand?" And whatever he says in the end, he's going to say, "But I don't understand because I'm just a bunch of words. I'm a bag of words and some algorithms and parameters."